Okay, now it's turn of the question number 97. It says, Bira and his wife Sheena have two daughters aged 12 and 16. Sheena's mother and father aged 65 and 72 also live with them. Bira is currently looking for work but can't find any. His elder daughter completed class 10 and prefers to look for work. Sheena prefers to stay at home to look after the houseworks. How many unemployed members does Bira's family have? Now clearly in this question there are two people who are unemployed, Bira and his eldest daughter. So the correct answer is option number 2. I hope it's clear. Now let's move to question number 98. Now let's begin question number 98. Which of the following statements are correct? Now let's analyze the statements. Globalization has led to increased flow of capital across country. The next statement says increase in flows of labor across countries has been larger than the increase in flows of capital. The third statement says MNCs spread their production and work with local producers in various countries across the globe. So when we analyze these statements, clearly the statement number 1 and 3 are the correct statements. So the answer would be the option number 2. Now let's move to next question, the question number 99. Now let's start question number 99. It says, in a village Puranpur, 200 families are living. 85 families work on their own piece of land. 60 families work on the field of other farmers. 5 families run their own shops and 50 families work in a nearby factory to earn their livelihood. What percentage of Puranpur village depends on the secondary sector? Now students, if we analyze the question here, we can see that these 50 families are the ones who are working in secondary sector. So when we'll calculate the percentage for these 50 families, our answer would be 25%. Hence the answer to this question is option number 2. I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the question number 100. Okay students, now let's discuss the question number 100. It says, identify the correct pairs from list 1 which gives the rights and list 2 which shows the violation of rights, and select the correct option using the codes given below. So here we are given two lists. List 1 indicates the rights of the consumers and list 2 the violation of the rights. Now students, when we analyze the 4 rights given here, the 4 pairs given here, we can clearly see that C and D are correctly paired. So the answer here would be the option number 4. I'll also write it for you. The correct pair here is C and D. So the correct answer would be option number 4. I hope it's clear to you all. This was the last question in social science section. I hope the entire social science section is pretty clear to you all. All the best for your results and thank you for watching.